So let's start with a scenario. This is a case study, fresh pure beverages limited. So let's just put it all first. Fresh pure beverages limited is a production-based company that manufactures and distributes packaged fruit juices to retail stores, supermarkets, and corporate brands. The company offers a variety of juice products in different flavors and pack sizes, such as 250 ml, 500 ml, and 1 liter variants. These products share common characteristics including flavors, sugar content, packaging type, and color content. To standardize product information and ensure consistency, Fresh Pure maintains these attributes as product properties and the product family. Fresh Pure sells its juices products using multiple packaging options such as individual bottles, pack of 6 units, and cartons for bulk distribution. The organization uses a defined unit book to manage these units and ensure accurate quantity conversation. Its quantity conversions during sales transactions. The company serves different customer segments, including supermarkets, local retailers, and corporate clients. Each segment is assigned a dedicated price list to reflect volume-based pricing and negotiated discounts. Fresh Pure manages its sales operations using a structured process that includes tracking potential sales as opportunities, generating quotes for customers, converting accepted reports into orders, and issuing invoices accordingly. The organization requires a scalable product catalog that supports multiple products, standardized properties, flexible pricing strategies, and accurate sales processing across the entire sales lifecycle. So this is what it was all about the fresh beverages in case. Let's just try to implement this in Dynamics 365 CRM. For this, we have a sales trial, and we will be going step by step and create a product family and the properties and the price list, everything as per the requirements of the company. So we just move to the next slide. Here we have, so I've broken down the requirements into different bits and pieces. For example, product families. So we will start with product families. For that, we have to click on this sales and we will change area to app settings. And then you will find here product catalog. Okay. Here you will find families and products. So we are going to create a new family for this. So here we click on add family. Okay, and we are going to name it as fresh pure juices. Product ID, I'm going to just randomly give some ID. And just ignore all the other details. For now, we can skip those and just click on save. Just after saving, you will move to the product properties tab. And here, we are going to add properties. Let's just remove it. Here we have defined all the properties as per the requirements. Okay, so we have 5 properties over here. Just let's just add the CRM. Okay, I'm going to click on new property. There you go. That's the name. Okay, we can make some settings over here. Okay, here the type is option set and the values are orange, mango, and apple. Let's just try to implement the same. Save it first. Before saving, it says data type required field must be filled in. So data type will be in properties tab. Here we have data type. We're going to set it as option set. Now save it. After that, you can add the values in the property options and items. Click on the three vertical dots and click on New Property Options and Item. What are the values that we can add here? Orange, mango, and apple. So one by one we can put all the values. Orange, I'm going to put the value as well. These are all the drop-down value item values. Just like how you maintain the choices in CRM. It's the same way. So let's just save it. Okay, we are going to add another one. Property options that I took mango and apple. So mango is going to be 2. Seven first. Another one. Okay. Save it close. Now we have all three values on this flavor property. Okay. Now let's just go back and we can add some more properties over here. Okay, so I'm going to add a new property and that will be pack size. So here we are going to have 250, 500 and 1 liter. So I have added three properties over here for pack size. Three options that items. Again, we are going to add some more properties. We have sugar type. We have options at regular and no sugar. Now we're going to add our fourth property, packaging type. Set the back and run. And the last property, bulk content, is on. Okay, so we have set all the properties. You can see here. Okay, we are on the five properties. Now let's move ahead. Okay, now we have unit group and units. Unit group, let's create the unit group as juice packaging, and then we just define of the unit in that. Yeah. And that's that. Okay, so we will go there and on the left hand side on the side plan we can see the unit groups. And we are going to add a new unit over which will be named as juice packaging. What will be our primary unit? Our primary unit will be bottle. Okay. We go to the related tab and we are going to add the units. Okay, here is our primary unit. Now we're going to add more units. Okay, so this is a primary unit. Okay, single juice unit for the pack of six. So we can name pack of six. Quantity will be six. That will be a small quantity. Okay, six. Base unit will be our primary unit, that is bottle. Next we have particle 24. Add another unit, particle. Okay, and here the quantity will be 24. This is for bulk packaging. And our base unit will be the same. So we have defined packets of apartment 24 and the family unit as well. Now we are going to add some products. So let's just add, let's go family and products. Okay, now let's go search what we have recently created. Here we have this fresh pure juices. Okay, and you can see all the properties defined over here. Here we're going to publish this product bundle. Okay. Now let's just go again over here and I'm going to check this mark and then I'm going to add product in this family. Product name will be 250 ml juice. Okay, 250 ml juice. Product ID will be and I'm going to take the unit code folder here as juice packaging. The bond unit will be bottle. This one is about it too. I'm going to save this. And if I see here product properties, they are going to be mapped here directly. I didn't do anything because it was already defined in the family level, so it is inheriting those same levels. Yep. Okay, so here is how we can add the product here. What we can do is we can define price lists as well. So let's just create a few price lists and then come again on this uh, product level. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to price list and we have some data of price lists as well. We have three price lists: modern trade, general trade, and corporate. For supermarkets, local shops, and offices and events. So let's go one by one. Let's create this price list for modern trade. So I can create a new price list and we can call it as modern trade. We can also add a start and end date, but for now I'm just skipping that part. Okay, we have product, unit, and price. Price list item. Okay, product is 250 ml mango juice. Okay, for this I think we need to add some, I think 3 products. Okay, we can add this one, 50 ml juice. Unit is pack and price is 600 rupees. Okay. Is price is amount 600. So if I add this price list and again go to product catalog, let's just see over here. So I have families and products. Juices, properties. Sorry, default price list. I can take here as modern trade supermarket. Okay. If I go to a product that I had created, juice. Okay, so you must have observed one thing over here. I have mentioned default unit as bottle. So when I was adding that product, it brought the same default unit as bottle. If I had chosen here pack of 6, then it would have been the same over there. So I'll try it out with that example as well. So let's just create another product and try that out. Okay, here the default price list is modern trade supermarkets, and let's just try to create one more product. Okay, we can publish this product. Okay, let's just try to create one more product. This time we can add 500 ml orange juice. as pack of 6 list time. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to save it. Does not support it too. Okay, and then I'm going to try with that price list. Okay, price list and try to create one more over here. Price list item product. This time we are going to add orange juice, 500 ml orange juice, and it by default it brought here pack of 6, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. So I'm going to add the pricing information over here, and that would be $900. Okay, so this is how we just now tried to create product family, product, and unit groups in unit, and then we added price lists as well. So in the next session, we are going to try to implement that in the sales lifecycle. Okay. Thank you for watching.